You're hearing this right now. The voice, the room, even the silence between words.
No edits?
No edits. And look closely. Same face, same details, from the first frame to the last. And the craziest part is, it doesn't just generate visuals. It understands how things should move, how physics should behave, all in a Transsingle should feel.
It understands space, scale, and how the entire environment should behave together.
You're controlling the camera, the movement, the entire scene. Every angle feels intentional, like it was directed, not generated. So everything you've seen till now, all of that was created using Seedance 2.0. And honestly, I'm not even exaggerating when I say this, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Like, you can literally create anything you imagine just by using a single prompt. That's the crazy part. Now, before we jump into the actual process, let me quickly show you what really makes this tool different. Seedance 2.0 is a fully multimodal AI video generator, which basically means you're not stuck with just text anymore. You can combine text, images, videos, and even audio all together in one single generation. And that completely changes the game. You can upload up to 9 images, 3 videos, and 3 audio references, so you get full control over how your characters look, how things move, and how everything sounds. And this is where it starts to feel really powerful, because you also get director-level camera control. I'm talking about tracking shots, dolly movements, POV, rack focus. It actually feels like you're directing a real scene, not just generating random clips. Your character's face, clothing, and small details stay consistent across multiple shots and scenes, which makes everything look way more realistic and professional. So instead of just text to video, this is actually more like prompt to film. And now, I'm going to use OpenArt AI to try out Seedance 2.0 myself. Also, right now, OpenArt is offering up to 60% off on their Teams plan, which is honestly a great deal if you're planning to use this seriously. If you want to try it out, you can check the link in the description and get access to Seedance 2.0. Now let me show you exactly how to use it. Once you sign up on OpenArt, you don't need to worry too much about special access anymore, because Seedance 2.0 is now available to all users. But here's the important part. If you're on the Wonder plan, you actually get 2 weeks of unlimited access, which is honestly the best time to fully test and explore everything without any limits. After that, just go to your workspace, head over to the text-to-video section, and from the video model options, select Seedance 2.0. And yeah, that's it. You're ready to start creating. Now here, just like usual, you need to type your prompt. You can either test short prompts or go for detailed, highly optimized ones. But since Seedance 2.0 is a very powerful model, I'd actually recommend starting with a simple prompt first, just to see how well it performs. And if you want to create more detailed cinematic scenes, you can use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to generate advanced prompts. And just to be completely honest with you, in this video, I'm using ChatGPT to create my prompts. So let's go ahead and test our first prompt. But before that, I'm going to upload a couple of reference images here. One of them is my own image, and the other one is an influencer's image. Basically, I want to create a cinematic sad story using these characters with multiple scenes, different camera angles, and layered audio. So let's see whether Seedance 2.0 can actually handle all of that or not. Alright, so here's the prompt. It's quite detailed. Now, to add characters into the prompt, all you have to do is press @ and then select your image like image 1. Just make sure you place the image reference at the right spot in the prompt. Don't just drop it randomly anywhere, because placement actually matters for better results. Also, as you can see, I've added dialogue inside the prompt as well, which I want the characters to speak in this cinematic scene. After that, make sure your audio is turned on, and quickly double check your output settings. I'm setting the number of videos to 2, and now let's hit generate. So the video will take around 2 to 3 minutes to generate. And by the way, if you want the full file of all these prompts, just let me know in the comments, I'll share it with you. Alright, the video is ready now, let's play it.
Promise me you won't disappear.
I already did.
Wow, did you notice those emotions? They actually feel so real. I honestly can't believe this. Like, just from a single image, it has created a complete short cinematic scene. The colors, the camera angles, the motion, everything feels so polished and professional. And the biggest thing, character consistency. In this entire 15-second clip, I didn't notice a single issue with the face. It stays consistent throughout, and that's exactly where Seedance 2.0 really stands out. Right now, the videos are being generated in 480p, and you can upscale them to 720p for better quality. And soon, 1080p will also be available, which is going to make the output even crisper and more cinematic. And once you really understand how to use this properly, you can literally create unlimited video ideas and seriously level up your content on social media. Now let's push this even further. This time, I'm going to give it a more complex task, something heavier. I'll add around 3 to 4 characters into the same scene. So first, I'll replace this prompt with a new one. In this story, I'm playing the role of a hero trying to protect my family. For that, I need multiple characters: myself, my wife, and my 2 kids. So here, I've added some AI-generated images for each character. Now, after carefully reviewing the prompt, I'll start placing each character one by one in the correct positions. For example, wherever it says main face reference, I'll assign my own character. Then wherever the prompt mentions a child character, I'll assign both kids accordingly. It's actually pretty simple once you understand the structure. After that, if needed, you can also tweak the dialogue a bit to match the scene better. And once everything looks good, just hit generate. Now, let's see the magic.
I won't let anything happen to you. We'll be okay.
Just keep moving.
Stay with me, don't look back!
Mind-blowing, both of these videos look so real. I mean, honestly, at this level, even some million-dollar Netflix scenes would struggle to match this. Okay, just kidding, see, but seriously, the output is insanely impressive. Whether it's the sound effects, the camera motion, or the character consistency, everything feels top-notch and cinematic. Now let me show you something even more intense. I'm going to generate a proper fight scene, the kind that gives you a full Hollywood movie vibe. For this, I've added 2 characters so they can act like a hero and a villain fighting each other. Then I used a detailed prompt and simply generated the video.
You still think this ends with you standing?
It ends the moment you fall.
Then come prove it.
That's unbelievable, right? Seriously, I'd love to know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments, which video did you find the most cinematic and powerful? So yeah, these were just a few use cases of Seedance 2.0, and honestly, I'm 100% sure you must have enjoyed this. So if you're thinking of using this seriously, this is actually a really good time to get started. So if you're interested, make sure to check it out using the unique link in the description. Trust me, it's definitely worth trying at least once.